Welcome to Digital Review. Quick question. Have you thought about ever doing your own content marketing business? Maybe social media marketing, maybe video creation marketing, or even local reputation management? Well, today we'll be learning about an app called Agency Reel 2.0 that can do all of those things. We'll also learn about the OTOs. We'll watch a demo video, and we'll also learn about my exclusive bonuses when you purchase through my link. Now, if you're a lot like me and you're impatient and you can't wait to the end of this demo video, then below this video in the description, there's a link where you can purchase. Oh, and by the way, while you're there, won't you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell? It really helps our channel. It allows us to continue to bring you great digital software in 2022. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's get on over to these bonus pages and see what I got for you. Hey guys, I'm on my exclusive bonus page, and on this page, you will get these bonuses when you purchase Video Reel 2.0 Unlimited, when you purchase it through my link. So the bonuses that I have for you today are bonuses that can work congruently with Video Reel 2.0 Unlimited. I thought it was imperative that you guys have these three bonuses so they can help you learn in your learning curve. So here we go. Exclusive bonus number one is your mobile marketing. Exclusive bonus number two is writing articles. Even though I know the software comes with an AI that writes the articles for you, I thought it was imperative that you know the ins and outs of writing an article and how to properly write an article. Exclusive bonus number three is your viral master list builder. The reason why I gave you this bonus is because if you didn't know, I'll tell you that the money is in the list. When you have a powerful, strong email list, you can continue to go to the well. When you have a strong email list of interested buyers, they will continue to buy from you for years to come. So this will teach you the importance of building a list and how to build a viral master list. So it will help you to grow your business and grow your email list. So these are the three exclusive bonuses that I have for you guys when you purchase Video Reel 2.0 Unlimited through my link. Now we'll go over to the OTOs, the upgrades, and see how much they cost and how many upgrades are with Video Reel 2.0 Unlimited. So I'll see you over on the next page, guys. Hey guys, we're here at the OTO page. So in the front end, you'll have your agency reel. You either have your starter kit or your advanced kit. The difference between the two is the starter kit comes at $37 and the advanced kit is at $47. So the difference between the two is your advanced kit, you get a little bit more features. It includes all of the features, the agency reel starter, plus the ability to add more clients, do more posts, publish more content streams, AI-based content scheduling, ability to add your agency branding, logo, and name, agency rights included, and access to the agency leads app to find and land clients. With the starter app, all you have is just a lighter version of this Agency Reel 2.0, when you only have the ability to add 20 clients and 50 posts and publish 100 content streams through your Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. The OTO number one is your Agency Reel 2.0 Unlimited. That is $97. Or you can get the Agency Reel 2.0 Unlimited Lite. So that, again, you can get that for $47. Of course, the software will be a lot lighter in terms of what you can do, as opposed to if you bought this $97 part of the software, the unlimited. So the $47 is cheaper, but it comes with a lot less than if you purchased the one for $97. OTO number two is your Agency Reel 2.0 DFY. So if you want your content streams or your content calendar, your social media agency sites, things like that. This is $197, which is a great value if you did purchase this OTO number 2. And again, if you think that $97 is just a little bit too steep, you can purchase the DFY Lite version, which will not give you as much options as the unlimited, but it is $97. OTO number 3 is your Agency Reel 2.0 Enterprise, the most advanced edition of your Agency Reel 2.0. You can get this for $97. It gives you unlimited agency accounts, rebranding, create branded agency reports, DFY reseller rights, social agency material, and gives you a multitude of value for $97. But if you cannot afford the $97, you can get the Agency Reel Local Repertor Elite, which is $49. This will allow you to basically do a little reputation management. But if you have an option to get the 2 and you're going to spend $49, I would definitely get the 2.0 Enterprise, where you'll get a lot more accessibility to the app. OTO number 5 is your Agency Reel, your Viral Reels. You'll take your viral video creation to the next level with Viral Reels. Instead of just one type of viral video, you can make several different types of on different platforms with this app, access and integration. So again, you definitely want to get OTO number 5 if you want to build an agency and really provide some value to your future customers. So that's it for the OTO. Next, we'll be watching this demo video.
In this video, we're going to see how Agency Reel, an upgraded all-in-one AI-based software, can build and run an agency business for you from the ground up. Agency Reel 2.0 can find clients, creating many types of content, and smartly auto-scheduling and posting it as if you ran and charged like a huge agency company. This new upgraded version includes many new features like built-in viral video creator, the ability to find and curate viral content, agency rights for the ability to sell to clients, and even upgraded content stream technology that smartly posts a mix of content 24/7, 100% as if you ran a full teamed agency. To get started, let's get some clients for our agency first by clicking on the Find Clients tab. Enter a niche you want to find clients in, like bakery, location, and select the category. You can quickly see all the leads in your area that may need video content or social media traffic, including the business's rating in Google. You can click to learn more about them, including seeing their contact details, their website, and more to see what marketing services Agency Reel can provide for them. Then go to the Manage Clients tab to integrate a client. Enter your client's details like their name, enter a password, how much you will earn from them each week as Agency Reel 2.0 does bookkeeping services, include the ability to email them login access to create campaigns themselves, company description, then connect as many social media accounts as you like, including now multiple Facebook accounts, multiple Twitter accounts, and many more options than the 1.0 did. Okay, awesome. So we've onboarded a client. Now let's dive into the content stream technology to drive perpetual traffic with the AI software. So a content stream is a group of a specific type of content that will be used to publish on social media accounts. You can create a content stream called pet videos and add all viral pet videos to it for a local business. Create another content stream of quotes and add all your quotes to it. So let's create a content stream of, say, bakery images for this bakery client. Choose which type of content stream to create, an image-based one, a video one, text or formatted text with images. Enter some tags, title, and description. Then choose and upload our first file. You can upload some photos from their bakery to this stream. You can edit the images, title, and description that will come with it on social media. Then continue uploading as many pieces of content you have to this specific content stream. Alright, so now it's time to get the perpetual traffic. Then go to the scheduler and specify when each content stream will post. For instance, have quotes content stream post at July 27th and a video content stream post at, say, July 29th. The app will then post whatever content you have uploaded to that particular stream at that time, and once it runs out of posts, we'll start recycling the older posts that are performing best, so you're always posting content to their social profiles all week for perpetual traffic. The app will smartly post a suite of varied content throughout the week. For example, one day a viral video, the next day quote, the next day a blog article, and then another viral video, like a major content and social agency would do without you having to lift a finger. Schedule once and you're done for years. Choose a date, pick your client, pick the content stream, choose the social account, and choose the time. Hit repurpose if you want Agency Reel AI to keep posting that content stream's content in the best performing pieces over and over again without you having to reschedule. If your client doesn't have any content, don't worry, as Agency Reel can create the content to schedule for you in minutes. First, you can find content ideas that will generate tons of traffic with the brand new Trends tab. For example, enter your niche keyword, and the Reddit tab will bring up viral articles and topics to make posts or videos off of or schedule. Hit the YouTube tab to find viral videos to repurpose or to post to your client's content streams. You can search by Creative Commons and download the videos to edit if you want. Find out what's trending in a local business's area by hitting the Twitter platform and then entering a location. Not only that, but Agency Reel can create the content for you now, including full, unique viral videos to get perpetual traffic from. Click on My Content and select the video creator to use the brand new video creation engine to make videos for clients or sell or schedule. This simple but powerful video maker lets you search our library for millions of professional image and video clips to use. Then add them to the video timeline below. You can press the plus button to add multiple video clips and images to build out our video. You can also add Creative Commons viral video clips within your video as well. Think of how cool that is. You can add your own intro, a viral video, and then a CTA back to the company's page for tons of leads. Speaking of that, you can add text anywhere you want to each of these clips. Type out the text, choose the position, choose the text color and background color if needed. Plus, create quote videos by hitting the Quotes tab. Quote videos get tons of shares on Instagram, and this state-of-the-art editor lets you add quotes to any video clip in seconds. Then choose to watermark the video or add the local business's logo, and then you can add jingle music or voiceovers, including state-of-the-art text-to-speech narration, and then generate your video to post over and over again. Agency Reel 2.0 lets you make viral graphic content too with the upgraded Quotes and Memes Maker. Search a gigantic library of the most popular memes to add to your viral graphic image. Resize the image if you need. Then you can add text and drag that into place with the drag and drop technology. You can add emojis and other cinema effects to the image as well. You can layer all the images or delete them if needed. You can add pro background images to it like this. Plus, search a gigantic library of the most popular quotes to make quote images too. Now there's tons of combinations to make almost every type of popular graphic content that gets clicks on all networks. When you're done, save it or download it and assign it to the content stream of your choice for perpetual posting. Not only that, but once Agency Reel 2.0 posts all this content, you can go back to reports and generate professional report for each client to receive your monthly paycheck, clearly showing them that you are posting all day long and making the content. Now they don't have to know that a smart technology did all the heavy lifting for you. And I think you get the picture, right? This is the biggest, baddest, all-in-one tool out there today for starting and running an agency business. Everything is here, from getting the clients to posting all day to creating pro social and video content.
Wow, we learned a lot of great information about Agency Reel 2.0. We learned about the upgrades, we watched the demo video, and we learned about my exclusive bonuses when you purchase through my link. So why do I like Agency Reel 2.0? Well, if you're thinking about doing your own content creation business, it has your done for you social media posts, done for you memes, done for you quotes. It also has your local reputation management. So what don't I like about Agency Reels? Well, there's nothing to really not like. Again, if you want to create your own content business, this is a one-stop shop. You can not only do it for yourself to build your branding, to bring awareness to your software or whatever have you, but you can also create an agency to do this for other individuals who just do not have the time. This app gives you the credibility like you're the biggest content creation agency in your side of town. So it's been fun learning about Agency Reel 2.0, and we've come to the end of this review. But it's been fun, it's been real, and I'll see you next time.